To come to one of the biggest film festivals in the world and on the very first day watch a movie about making movies, a good time was had by all. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel. Right now, I've got some updates for you from TIFF. Starting off with Reema Kagti's Super Boys of Malegaon, starring Adarsh Gaurav, Vineet Kumar Singh, Shashank Arora, and others. सबकी बातें करते हैं, आओ.
वो देख जादू का पंछी, एक दिन उड़ूंगा इसमें मैं.
महाराष्ट्र की नासिक डिस्ट्रिक्ट के मालेगांव का नाम मेरी याददाश्त में मैंने 2 बार सुना है इस फिल्म से पहले. एक बार जब टेरर अटैक्स के चलते दिस लिटिल सिटी वाज इन द न्यूज़ इन अबाउट 2008 एंड दूसरा व्हेन अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री कॉल्ड सुपरमैन ऑफ मालेगांव वाज सडनली all everyone was talking about a few years after that. I've only recently watched that Faiza Ahmad Khan documentary, but it doesn't matter when I watched it because Zoya Akhtar saw it when it mattered. और उसी से इंस्पायर होकर ये अब बनी है फिल्म. This film is based on the life of Nasir Sheikh, an amateur filmmaker who gained some notoriety in the late 90s and early 2000s thanks to his parody films, most notably Malegaon ke Sholay. There was a version of Shaan, and later came his magnum opus Malegaon ka Superman. Aside from the documentary, there has been some coverage of this micro Malegaon movie industry in the media as well. उसकी कुछ न्यूज़ स्टोरीज आप यूट्यूब पर देख सकते हैं. Naturally, एक फिल्म मेकर के लिए ये कहानी, ये सेटअप एक्साइटिंग है as an opportunity to explore a side of humanity you don't really get an insight into every day. Reema Kagti as a filmmaker has obvious curiosities she likes to find answers to through her work in my opinion. Talash, Gold, Dahad, things she directs attempt to peel back the obvious. The scenarios she presents are wild, and once people who are used to a certain way society exists are over the initial shock and have gotten that response out of their systems, then as viewers, we become active participants in her curious intentions as well. What compels a serial killer to murder? How does a newly independent, poor and broken nation stand on its own? What happens after you die? As her own earlier film Talash proclaims, the answer lies within. So, director Reema Kagti and writer Varun Grover, with an abundance of some of the finest young Indian actors, go deep within Malegaon, its film industry, to look for stories of human grit, ambition, and innovation. This search leads them to unearthing things cinema is capable of within a community. The opening montage of this film shows you different men of Malegaon wrapping up their day's work and all of them meeting at their local cinema hall to watch a film. One boy works in a mill, one is a broke aspiring writer, one assists as a wedding videographer, another runs a khajur ki dukaan. But when they get together and grab the best seats to watch Salman Khan in Judwa, their worlds and imaginations give rise to an alternate reality where they turn into people who discuss even Buster Keaton, Charlie Chaplin, the classics that birthed movies like Judwa. Among these friends, Nasir's elder brother runs a small makeshift theatre of his own where they show pirated versions of international films in the hopes that the local audience will appreciate a different kind of cinema as well. मेरा और नासिर भाई का एजेंडा सेम है लाइफ में, it seems. कहानी में क्या होता है आगे वो ज़्यादा ना बताते हुए, the story reaches a point where Nasir and his group of friends come together to make their own film. So they can retain all the rights and they also itch a very specific itch while staying within their means in Malegaon. Nasir and Shafiq, played by Adarsh Gaurav and Shashank Arora respectively, they sing in the beginning of the film in a scene about never getting to leave Malegaon, never being able to make something of their lives. तो जो है यही करना है. It is जीना यहाँ, मरना यहाँ और Raj Kapoor, and ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे of Sholay all in one. Cinema is oxygen in their lungs. Then in DOP Swapnil Sonavane's frames, Malegaon's landscapes become dreamscapes as its inhabitants go from boys to super boys. Adarsh Gaurav is particularly impressive as Nasir, an innovator, a provocateur. Adarsh embodies the character in his slender frame like an actor clearly on a mission to leave a mark. It is always a gift to see him perform, and Superboys is no exception. When Nasir is pacing outside the theatre during his movie's inaugural screening, Adarsh and Reema skillfully and tenderly break a fourth wall, showing directly to their audience what goes into making a film, especially when it involves so much of the filmmaker's personal honesty. As one of the first few people in the world to watch this film during during its very first TIFF press screening, that moment in the film took on an even more important meaning for me. Adarsh as the central character and the nucleus shoulders this and countless other scenes with stunning ability. Not to be left behind, the remaining cast also elevates each scene they're in. Manjari Popala plays Trupti, the sole female actor Nasir hires to play the love interest in all his films. Trupti is a young mother in an abusive marriage, and acting in Nasir's cinema is literal and metaphorical escape for her both. Like a modern-day Basanti, Trupti breezes into their lives like a girl who knows no fear, but Manjari's performance breathes life into this character, which could have remained a Hindi cinema stereotype. The vulnerability she brings underneath the facade peeks through at some of the most moving moments of this film. It's a very nice performance. Shashank Arora, Vineet Kumar Singh, they also delivered knockout performances as one would expect them to. Vineet is Farooq, the one superboy who manages to leave the town and get cruelly close to having a career in Mumbai. पर जावेद अख्तर से मिलकर फोटो खिंचाने के आगे बात उसकी बढ़ती नहीं है. किसी फिल्म में फिल्म की पटकथा लिखने वाले का रोल लिखने की अपॉर्चुनिटी को वरुण ग्रोवर बिल्कुल नहीं छोड़ते हैं. As he gets the actors to say राइटर बाप होता है, Vineet exhales and roars so powerfully. Superboys of Malegaon doesn't paint a rosy picture of the reality it occupies. ये देखो स्मॉल टाउन के लोग कितने क्यूट होते हैं. इस ट्रैप को बहुत सक्षमता से साइड स्टेप करके फिल्म किसी फॉल्स सेंस ऑफ कंफर्ट या होप देने में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है. मालेगांव जैसे शहरों में अपवर्ड मोबिलिटी के लिए लाखों पापड़ बेलने के बाद भी सक्सेस हाथ नहीं लगे, ये पॉसिबिलिटी रियल है. द ट्रैजिक सेटिंग लेंड्स इटसेल्फ ब्यूटिफुली टू द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एक्सप्लोर द रिस्पाइट अ मेक बिलीव वर्ल्ड ऑफ स्टोरी टेलिंग कैन प्रोवाइड इन अ प्लेस लाइक मालेगांव. एक आदमी को जब कैंसर हुआ है तो डॉक्टर भी उसको डायग्नोसिस समझाने के लिए राजेश खन्ना की फिल्म आनंद का सहारा लेता है unironically. There is a romantic angle Nasir gets, which is presented with the promise of becoming a much bigger conflict than it eventually does, making one question the payoff of the investment it asked of you upfront. However, just as the subplot lies forgotten, soon enough your hand is held so tightly by everyone in this cast, it ceases to matter. Anuj Singh Dohan, who agrees to go bald to play the impactful villain. Shashank Arora, who floats away in a rubber tube, apparently taking him to a different planet. It's all reveling in how delightfully unhinged reality was for these people for a few short years. Superboys of Malegaon eventually is a despondent tale wrapped in a feel-good package. The closing credits make it abundantly clear that perhaps until this moment when the film is being spoken about at the Toronto Film Festival, the story lay largely forgotten. Most men and a few women associated with the pioneers of Malegaon's film industry eventually did not amount to much. I would even say that the writing struggles momentarily to find this balance of giving hope and taking it away at the same time. But because it leaves you with the feeling कि चलो कुछ साल किसी ने मजे तो किए, आपदा में कोई अवसर तो खोजा. The eventual vibe is, to put it simply, wholesome. Now this movie should be out in January in theaters, and then soon after it's going to be on Prime Video. Keep it on your radar. So on a scale of 1 to 10, Superboys of Malegaon is 2 films backed by Excel Entertainment are at TIFF this year. दूसरी वाली बूंग है मणिपुर में सेट फिल्म बाय लक्ष्मी प्रिया देवी. उसका इंटरव्यू ऑलरेडी आ गया है और रिव्यू आने वाला होगा. बस आप चैनल पर आओ और देखो. बाकी इंटरव्यूज एक्सेट्रा भी बस आते जा रहे हैं. आप सब्सक्राइब करें. इस वीडियो के नीचे एक सफ़ेद रंग का बटन होगा, उस पर लिखा होगा सब्सक्राइब, तो क्लिक करें. मुझे भी लगे ना कुछ फ़ायदा हो रहा है काम करने का. माय नेम इज सुचारुता. थैंक यू फॉर स्टॉपिंग बाय.